Today's topic was sight distance, the actual distance available from a point along the road surface at which a driver from a specified height from the road has the visibility of a moving or stationary object on the road. The sight distance has been classified into three categories: stopping or absolute sight distance, safe overtaking or passing sight distance, safe sight distance at uncontrolled intersections. Stopping sight distance: the distance covered by a vehicle from the instant a danger is fully realized by the driver to actual stop. The sight distance available on the road to a driver depends upon the following factors: features of the road ahead, height of the driver eye above the road surface, height of the object above the road surface. Stopping of a motor vehicle on a road after seeing an obstruction depend on the following factors: the total reaction time of the driver, speed of the vehicle, brake efficiency of the vehicle, frictional resistance between road and the tires, gradient of the road. Total reaction time: the reaction time of the driver is the time taken from the time the object is seen by the driver to the time the brakes are effectively applied. As per PIV theory, the total reaction time comprises of four parts: precipitations, intellection, emotions, violations. Next, speed of the vehicle. The distance moved by the vehicle during the reaction time is a function of the speed of the vehicle. Brake efficiency. The functions of the vehicle brakes is it control the speed of the vehicle on the hills to reduce the speed when required and they stop the vehicle altogether and hold it stationary. Frictional resistance between the road and tires. And next, last one is gradient of the road. Stopping sight distance. Total stopping distance of a vehicle is based on the lag distance and braking distance. Lag distance: the distance moved by a vehicle is traveling during the total reaction time. For braking distance, and stopping distance is equal to lag distance plus braking distance. The stopping distance formula for the level roads: Sd equal to Vt plus V square divided by 2Gf, in that V will be a design speed, T will be the total reaction time, and G will be the acceleration due to gravity, and F will be the coefficient of frictions. For the slope and the gradient roads, the formulas are Sd equal to M equal to Vt plus V square 2G into F plus or minus 0.001 n, in that n will be your slope. Is overtaking sight distance: the minimum sight distance that should be available for a driver to overtake another vehicle safely on a two-way road. Sight distance at the intersections. The intersections are grouped into two categories: uncontrolled intersections, priority intersections. Uncontrolled intersections, where there are intersecting roads, all are more or less equal importance. Stopping distance requirements at the uncontrolled intersections may be decided on the basis of three possible conditions: vehicles to change their speed, vehicles to stop, vehicles to cross the road. Last one is priority intersections. Priority intersection consists of a main road intersecting a minor road. Thank you.